Hi guys, we're in a test run. We look cute together. Okay, this is going to be so weird. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have a special guest.
This is where songs starts playing. Dun, dun,
This year, I have been able to convince Chibuzo to make an appearance on my blog or my YouTube channel once a month.
We're still talking about it.
Yeah, I was going to say that
we are still talking about
it. It's dependent on like she actually pulling through with it throughout the whole year. But you guys, it's your views and your comments and your pushes towards him that will keep bringing him here. But anyways, I'm glad you came today. So today we're doing a get to know us video. Seeing as we are introducing a new segment on my blog, Chi and I, so I decided that, well, let our first video be a get to know us. So here it is. And I asked you guys to send in some questions and I have them on my phone here.
Can I say something before we start? Sorry. Oh. There's this guy of mine that said, hard guy, but they do YouTube. Okay. Yeah.
He's still a hard guy. How did you meet me? How did you meet me?
Wait, is it okay? Is it how we met? First, or how
we started dating? I'll say how we met first. And then we can talk about the relationship after. Okay, so we met in secondary school. Period.
Yep, we did.
We met in secondary school, or should I say we didn't meet? I don't know. We knew each other in secondary school. We were in the same year.
Yeah, but
we never talked. We never spoke. Like,
we know Yan. We were not able to talk.
We were in different circles. Like I was a goody two shoes, and she was, those young boys in secondary school that tried to like drop their mixtape.
Yeah, man.
Boys for life.
I was with Chimsy.
That's how he got the Miss Chimsy.
That's how I got the Miss Chimsy.
So
I was an artist there,
yeah,
man.
but we never spoke. Fast forward to like a year or two after secondary school graduation, he and his friends released like a song which I really liked. Bear in mind I was like 17, 18. I really liked, so I messaged him. I was like, oh my god, your song's so nice. I have an auntie that works in the radio station. Would you like me to
I think she was just sliding in.
I was not sliding into your DM. I was just being a nice person. I was trying to help you push your hustle.
Oh yeah, no. Let's keep going.
Yeah, so that happened, and then we started talking, and on to you.
Yeah, that was how we started talking. Then we now stopped talking again. I think for another year.
Yeah.
So we're
like
on and off. We're on and off.
Start talking again, and
then we stop talking.
Again.
Until one time like this.
One faithful year.
I just said, this girl's on my Skype.
Praise God for Skype.
I've not spoken to Ayon in a long while. Let me call her. Let me see what's happening with her. I called. They rang. And she picked one time. It's me now.
Whatever. But when he picked here, guys, I had like
she had this.
I had my T3 face mask on. Let me tell you, I do not care about certain things.
As soon as she picked up, she had no ratings for that call. If it was another soft boy or somebody else, then maybe she would adjust.
Man, I'm not like that though. Like Demi doesn't actually care. Even
she picked up and she looked like she was about to go to sleep. Like, hey, and I was like,
I'm not one of those girls that's like, oh, I can't pick up a call without makeup 9. But
and she didn't take it off. We spoke like that, like an hour. I didn't know. I didn't know how she looked because it was long. Like I can't remember the last time I spoke to her. It was like a year back. I called her and I saw a green face. And I was like, okay.
Yeah, so that's how we met, and that's how.
Yeah.
That's how it started from. That was 2014.
Okay, you go first now.
Okay, so my parents are cool with it. I introduced Chi to my parents the same month we started dating. Because number one, it was going to be a long distance relationship. Like we dated each other for 3 years, long distance. I was like, if it's not serious, then I'm just going to my parents to scare him away. Yeah. So I introduced him to my parents in the first month, and they're fine with it. Like I feel maybe in the beginning my dad didn't think it was very serious, but now I feel he knows that it's very serious. My mom likes Chibuzo. She's in love with Chibuzo. Like,
if you're watching this right now, shout out to my real ink. As for my family, my mom loves Demi. Loves her so much. Yeah,
he's never told me this, guys.
When we started dating, I don't think she bought the idea. In the beginning she was like, who is this one now? Oh, that was the family, this, that. So we put in efforts. We put a lot of effort into her coming close to the family. So Momsi got comfortable.
He has 3 sisters.
I have 3 sisters. 3.
So I have to win all their love. And if you're watching right now, girls, love you. Especially Chidima. Chidima was the tough one. Kind of following on from the last question, how I introduced Chibuzo to my mom. My mom knew Chibuzo from secondary school because she was a teacher in my school.
Oh my goodness.
But the thing is, when she actually saw Chibuzo, she did not recognize him. Yeah. She didn't remember it was him because, guys, if I find a picture of Chibuzo from secondary school, I'm going to put it right here.
Don't.
I'm going to put it right here.
Please don't.
Or here.
No.
I'm going to find it on Facebook.
That wasn't me.
So he changed, but then I tried to remind her of who he was, and she was actually his phone teacher.
Yeah, she was
my mom had punished Chibuzo.
Flogged my life. Flogged. Do you understand? You know when you go home and you start thinking of how to tear your jean trousers into bomb shots,
so that you can wear it,
fit it in, it will not even nobody will suspect, so that you can go and take
Mr. Clover's the next day. Introducing him to my mom was pretty straightforward.
I was like,
my dad, I remember when I was coming back to Nigeria for holidays in 2014, when we actually started dating. I was turning 20 that year, and for some reason my dad said to me, Ayo, you know, if you have a boyfriend you can tell me. I was like, for real? I was like, yeah. I was like, okay dad, I have a boyfriend.
I just got to the house. I said, okay guys, my sisters already knew. They probably didn't see her for a very long time because of school and every. But when she came to the house, everyone, my siblings knew who she was. And the ones that were really close now, isn't it knew we were having something. So it was pretty.
It wasn't anything like, hey mommy, this is my boyfriend. No, just
came to the house.
Just keep coming to the house and
just
you ask him, who is that person? I was like, yes, my girlfriend.
Oh my God. Like I just kept bringing her to the house steady.
So there's a year between Chibuzo and I, and personally I don't think that's an issue. Funny enough, someone actually raised that question, that topic recently again, because they feel our age is too close. But
yeah.
I mean, guys, it doesn't matter.
What is age?
It's a number.
That's all.
No, but like I understand that some people are concerned that there might be like respect issues or stuff like that.
As long as you understand how you communicate with your partner, then you know how to handle some situations. Like I might try to pass a message across to you, but I feel you're not respecting me well enough, and you would not pick offense. Yeah. So it depends on that. I don't even think it has to do with age. Like I'm 10 years older than a lady, and she will still not respect me. So respect is just
as long as you have respect, that's it. Respect for each other. It's time to pour. Feel it. Feel it.
One key thing. Has to be very key though.
Like maybe if it was not there, you would be thinking twice.
There are so many things this woman can do. Steady. Don't allow your head to swell up.
Sorry, this
behave.
Okay.
I enjoy her cooking. She's a good drink.
That's the key thing you love about me.
But see, you can cook. I'm not.
You know this guy is evil.
I'm not at it. Hey, if you taste Demi, so I have lasagna. It's waiting for me now in the. understand? So
but you like my food. You're not even romantic. Anyway, for an Igbo man, that is romantic, so I guess. One key thing I love about Chibuzo, he is very supportive of my dreams. So he's very
man. Support with love.
Maggie with the salt.
With the salt.
I really love that he's very supportive of my dreams. Like, it's super important that whoever is around me like understands where I'm going to and can always like motivate me to keep going, because I get discouraged a lot of times.
Chipsy with the support.
Don't say that again.
With the support. Career-wise, I think we have lots of projects coming up for 2018.
So we have a few goals with regards to Chibuzo's business company, CVP, photography.
Yeah. The media house.
So yeah, we have a few projects with regards to that. We're not usually want to like say what we're going to do,
but just know that we have a lot planned. On a scale of 1 to 10, she hardly annoys me. Okay, things are she annoys me a lot, but we can't vex. I found it very hard to vex for each other for a very long time.
Okay, we had this rule
tried
while we were dating long distance that we couldn't sleep. So nobody's allowed to go to bed angry at another person. So if you're very angry, before you close your eye, send your epistle on WhatsApp.
You have to clear the person. This is why I'm vexing for you. You've messed up like this, but I love you, good night. Take care of yourself. That's how we end. So it's really hard for you to carry the vex over
the next day.
So once you can do that, then maybe we'll just...
Well, I feel like Chibuzo annoys me a lot.
Tell me something I've not.
He's trying to be all nice, but he annoys me a lot. And
we know.
But the thing is, I'm learning that maybe it's just the way he is, and I need to try and adjust myself to some extent, because I like see him trying to not do those things that annoy me. So yeah, he annoys me a lot. But it's only 2 things. But I mean,
honestly, who don't vex you?
Yeah.
Answer: who doesn't make you angry?
Who has never been angry?
Who has never been
Your
angry?
mother annoys you. Your sibling
every day.
annoys you. Your best friend annoys you. So
right now,
annoyance is a part of life, guys.
It comes with the package.
Yeah,
you have
just
to be
part of being a human being.
It's the ability to forgive.
That is important.
Thank you. We shall be ministering next week.
Yeah. So yeah, that is all the questions, guys. I hope you enjoyed our get to know us video.
Yeah.
By the way, we didn't even introduce ourselves.
I'm
Demi Akin.
My name's Onuku. I had seen. I've always wanted to do that thing. My names are Onukube, Chibuzo, Ijeze, Abraham.
Peace out.
Safe.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. But we haven't done the intro. So I'm going to be like, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today
so I'm meant to be looking at.
Yeah, look at the camera. And I'm like, kind of special. Hold up.